Hello everybody, my name is Holly Devereaux and I'm an IT project manager for the Community Colleges of Spokane. And today I'm going to be helping you with a tutorial on how to move your files and folders from your local directory to your online OneDrive cloud storage. There's a few different ways that you can access your online cloud storage. One of the first ways that you can access is to go to any of our web pages and go to the Tools drop-down. Click on the Tools drop-down and then go down to Office 365 Email. This should bring you to a login page very much like this that is our organization's authentication page. Click on your email address, and if yours does not show up like this, make sure that you type in your email address for the community colleges. Now you get the message that it's taking you to your organization sign-in page, and this should look very familiar to you. Go ahead and if your information is not here, enter your information with your email address for the community colleges and your password that you use to sign on to your computer. And then click the blue sign in button. This is asking you if you'd like to stay signed in. You can absolutely stay signed in. I do suggest that if this is a shared machine or you have any confidentiality concerns, that you do not stay signed in. So go ahead and click yes or no, whatever your choice is. Click on the one that says OneDrive, and it has a little cloud icon. If you've never seen it before, this is what your OneDrive looks like online. This is your cloud storage. And you can access, once files and folders are put into your cloud storage, you can access them from anywhere that you have an internet connection. This doesn't require you to sign into shared folders. This doesn't require you to have VPN access. You just simply upload your folders to your OneDrive, and then you should be able to access them online from anywhere that you have internet available. There's a second way to get to your OneDrive as well. So if you have the clouds down at the bottom, or you in your local directory you have anything that says OneDrive Community Colleges of Spokane, you can click on either one of those and it will actually open your OneDrive that should sync back and forth with your cloud drive. For the sake of time for this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you, now that I already have both of these open, how to grab a folder and pull it over to your OneDrive. You can do it. I like the option where you just pull it over and you drag it into OneDrive, but you can also go ahead and choose and upload. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the size of the screen so that I can show you how to move a file folder over, and I have some folders set up already. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab one of these off of my desktop, click on it, and then drag it down into the files. And you'll see drag the item to any location. Once it's there, you're going to see uploading however many items are in that file folder, and then you should see the folder there. Once that's completed, if your files are syncing the way that they should be, you should be able to see it in this directory as well. You may have to close out of it and open it back up, but that's the way that that's one of the ways you can do it. You can have your cloud drive open from the internet, and you can drag them directly into there. The other way that you can do this to save your files or your documents is to just go ahead and open your local directory, find that OneDrive Community Colleges of Spokane, and go ahead and open that, and then take whatever folder it is that you're trying to drag in there, or whatever document it is that you're trying to upload to your cloud storage, and go ahead and just drag it into the directory that says Community Colleges of Spokane OneDrive. Now you're going to get this little arrow that shows that things are happening and that it is actually moving and saving all of the documents over there. The other way to check, just like when you do it on the internet, is to go ahead and go out to your internet version of OneDrive and to just check and make sure that that file has been saved there. So we should see that now once I go in here, is that travel has been saved and the other one that has been saved is the PMO files. So with both of those saved in my OneDrive now, I know that I can access from either my computer or my web storage. The next thing that I would have you do is make sure that you take any documents that you may need and move them over to your cloud storage. There may be times that we are not able to access the shared files on the network, and this is a really helpful solution for that. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day.